Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 17th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to continue our discussion on links and check out how we can embed links behind images in our web pages. So in this document on line number 1 I have the doc type declaration, and between the opening and closing HTML tags I have the head section, which has the opening and closing title tags, and the title of this page is all about links part 3. This is the third tutorial on links in this course. And then in the body section I have the center tag and the h1 heading tag, and the heading of the page is the tennis center, and I've closed the heading tag and the center tag in the set sequence. And then I also have the img tag here, and I have included the image tennis.jpg, that's the name of the file, and I've set the height of the image to 80% of the original height and the width to 100% of the original height, and I've closed the image tag. And I have also wrapped around this image tag the anchor tag, and the value that I have associated with the href attribute is the URL www.atpworldtour.com. and now let me show you guys this file in Google Chrome. So this is how it looks, and this must be familiar because the tutorial that we had on images, in that tutorial we made a similar web page. I guess it was exactly the same. In fact, we had the same heading, same font style, same font size, everything was the same, and we even used the same image, right? And the only difference between that file and this file is that in this file, if I would click on any space on the image, I would be taken to www.atpworldtour.com, as I just did that, and here it is. I've been taken to atpworldtour.com. So this is how you insert or embed links over images in HTML. And it's actually pretty simple, and it's again something that's widely used. You have your advertisements and so many other things on websites. When you click on those images, you are taken to the websites of the vendors. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we'll discuss some more interesting features of HTML. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you in the next video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you soon. Till then, take care.